Welcome to part 2 of Mutton Bird Island. So we are climbing this hill. This is where we are. And we are climbing this hill to look at the sunrise. I think we got a few minutes before that happens. So let's catch the sunrise in our first video at Coffs Harbour at Mutton Bird Island Reserve. So you see those rocks in the ocean? Yesterday I read that those rocks are formed by volcanic eruptions. So must have been millions of years ago. That black rock you see in the ocean on the left, and even that rock in the center. I see a couple of piers here. A pier is there. It's amazing to realize that that is actually man-made, that pier. Just think about the effort it took them. And same goes for this pier here, the black one, and this one here, connecting this part to the other part of Coffs Harbour. Okay, it looks like any minute now. There are quite a lot of people there waiting for the sunrise. I think this time of the morning is called the golden hour. Okay, I'm panting because I've got a backpack on me, because I got off here, off the bus at 5:30, and that was too early to check in. So I said I'll come here, check out the sunrise, and then go check in. Okay. Alright. Got loads of people. Wow, look at this view. Loads of mountains there. I'm assuming that's where the sunrise is.
You know we're going to go out in just about every condition, but as soon as it's a gale warning, our insurance is
So that's where the mutton birds, I think they bury on the ground, the mutton birds.
That's what you call the
Sorry,
state.
dude. They're having a tour here. Anyway, let's take in the views. Look at that spray over there. I don't know how. I'm assuming that's off the waves crashing against the base of the cliff. Or could just be fog, I don't know. Okay, what's going on here? We have something here. Okay, those different mountains over there, the names of them. So we got Coffs Creek. We might go and check out all of these actually later. Not all of them, it looks like it might take me a month to cover all of them. But okay. So you got the names, that section there, the little one, let me use my other hand, this little one here is this one here. So it's called Coffs Harbour Jetty. It's very windy, I don't know how the audio is, I apologize about that, but it looks like the sun has already risen, but it's behind the clouds. I don't see any birds over here. I've seen pigeons, but not any bird that looks different to go. That's mutton bird. Okay, so it's too windy, and this is part 2 of the Mutton Bird Island video. I think I better end it because of the bad audio. Thank you very much, everybody. See you in the next video. Bye.